Hello and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today I thought I'd do another install video, but this time it's for a diffuser where I bought on eBay. So I bought a £12 diffuser on eBay, so just gonna sort of see what it's like and try and install it on the car. And but yeah, I've had sort of good reviews and from people I know that've bought them and fitted them on the cars. So yeah, just gonna go from there and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we have the diffuser in question. Like I said, £12 on eBay, so you know, can't really go wrong for that sort of price. So here we have it. It's quite cool, you know, for £12 I think that's pretty good value for money. It's pretty solid plastic. It's like finished like a gloss black, which just looks really nice actually. And then it comes with the 3M double-sided adhesive, which obviously I'll stick all underneath and yeah, match it up and see how we get on. Okay, so the first thing I do is clean the inside of the body to make sure it's all clean and there's nothing to stop the adhesive from sticking. So hopefully they just go for it. Center to make sure I line it all up. Also put a line mark, just a little. Let's do that first. And there you have it, one diffuser fitted. I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously you can see the white tape slightly, so what I'll do, I'll probably just spray it black and you won't even notice it basically, but I've aligned it pretty well. It's pretty similar on both ends. It's slightly sort of curved up, but that's just the way the shape of the part is. But yeah, from And there you have it, a pretty simple eBay diffuser install. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I know some of you probably won't like it, you won't like the look of it, probably looks cheap and nasty and all the rest of it, but for £12 I don't really care. The car's only worth about £3 grand, so yeah, I enjoyed doing it. It's a bit of a laugh. Yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for plenty more content to come, just like this, and as well as car reviews and car events and all sorts of stuff.